What's going on? My name is Michael Petty. So I come across people who say, I'm afraid of video, I'm vain, I don't like to be on camera, it frightens me. Well, here, I'm not on camera. I got a simple picture in the corner. That's me. I got my blog. So a person can learn about me in their own time. So you don't have to necessarily be on camera. You can have your camera pointed towards a garden while you're talking in the background. Point it towards some scenery while you're talking in the background. People really don't care. It's the value that you bring, the secrets or, quote unquote secrets, the tips that you give, the value that you bring to the table so they can use and they can add into what they're doing to get results. That's what people really look for. What value are you bringing? The more value you bring to the table, the more attention you're going to get. Okay? And it doesn't have to be great, all fantastic information. It can be something so simple that a person probably haven't even thought of. And they're like, man, I can do that. You made them feel good. Okay, Mike Petty gave me some information. John Doe, Jane Doe, they gave me some information. Let's see what else they're talking about. Let me go ahead and subscribe to the channel, see what else they're going to come up with. That's all you're really doing. Giving value. What information do you wish you knew that you learned, right? That you know now, that you wish you have learned? Tell it. Don't be afraid to just give away information. Or if you join my team, then I give you information. No, just give it away, because that's going to make people want to pay you more attention. No one's going to join your team to get information when somebody else is giving it away. There's always somebody giving away some secrets, some tips, some ideas, quote unquote secrets, I should say. But long time ago, there was a guy I was following, and he said, someone asked him, why do you keep giving away free information? He said, that's called smart marketing. The more free information I give away, the more people's going to gravitate towards me, because I'm telling them what to do. And then I can build my connection with people, and then my team grows. There are no secrets to network marketing. People buy these courses, I'm going to show you how to do this on Facebook. Think about it. How was one person able to do it on Facebook? One person able to do it on TikTok? One person able to do it on Twitter? One person able to do it on YouTube? It's all about the strategy you use. It's all about the message you put out there. What message are you putting out there into the marketplace to draw your perfect prospect? I look for people who are like me. I don't have to call my sponsor for every question. I'm a person who's willing to go out there, do the research, try different things, test things, see what works, find out what works, go with that, find out what don't work, tell people, hey, don't do this, that don't work. When you find what doesn't work, tell people, don't do this, cut a video on, don't do this, don't do that. It doesn't bring good results, especially if you see you're not getting results and you hear other people telling you, don't do that. Boom. Now you have clarification that what you're about to tell these people is right. And if you give the right information, people are going to start paying attention to you. So it's all about just getting information. They don't care necessarily about seeing you in the video, but they do want to see you. They do want to learn about you. People join people that know, like, and trust. You want them to learn about you personally. Your struggles. Tell them about your struggles. I was on dialysis for 4.5 years. Got my kidney transplant back in October. My son just walked in the room. My son just walks in the room and hits me in the head, then walks out. That's the type of, we play like that sometimes. See, you can't see it in the video, but I left a little noise in there so you can hear what's going on. But that's it. Just be yourself. Kidney transplant back in October this past year. Started a new position on my job as a spotter driver, yard jockey. Been on my job for 25 years. Sorry. My son comes back in the room to put the back what he took out the room. And now he's looking at me like I'm crazy because I'm talking on camera about him. And he slowly walks out the room and closes the door. But just be yourself. Keep it real in your videos. Don't overthink it. Just make sure you're sharing value. If you make mistakes, go back and edit it. Like, this video is edited. No one's perfect in your video. I know I'm never perfect in my videos. Never. So I edit something in every single video I do. I can't just go on like that without making the type of mistakes. But people don't care. Remember, it's about the value that you give. Learn more about me in other videos. You come to my blog, thepettiescorner.com. You can read this. It's about, me finding my way inside network marketing. You know, my son is now 15. I think he's like 10 in this video, so I got to update these videos. I mess out videos. I got to update these pictures. But just keep it simple. Don't overthink it. People just want to know the real you. Okay, that's all. That's it. They want to know the real you. They want to know, you know, your knowledge about marketing, and they just want to know, can I do that? If a person say, oh, I can do that, and use your strategy and get results, you are the one who helped them get results. They're going to remember that. And most likely, when an opportunity comes up, they want to look for a business, it just so happened you gave them the information, you may come up in their minds. Next thing you know, you got a team member. It's not meeting them today and it's getting them in your business within a week. It's about meeting them today, building that relationship over time, and letting them decide, I think I want to join this individual business. All right, Michael Petty signing off. Talk to you in the next video.